Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer from Binance to XM account. First, ensure both your Binance and XM accounts are fully set up and verified. You'll need to access your XM account to find the correct deposit address for the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. This is a crucial first step to avoid any issues. Double-check that the chosen cryptocurrency is supported by both platforms for transfer. Once logged into your XM account, head to the Deposit section. Here, you'll select the exact cryptocurrency you plan to move from Binance. XM will then provide a unique deposit address. It's vital to copy this address precisely. Some cryptocurrencies also require a memo or tag. If so, copy that too. This ensures your funds reach your account correctly. Now, open your Binance account and go to your spot wallet. Find the cryptocurrency you want to send and click Withdraw. Paste the XM deposit address you copied earlier into the address field. Carefully select the correct network, matching it with XM's network. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, review all details, and then confirm the withdrawal. After initiating the withdrawal, you can track its progress on both Binance and XM. Transaction times vary depending on the blockchain network congestion, so patience is key. Once confirmed, your funds will appear in your XM account, ready for trading. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your seamless transfer experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.